Hi friends, today we are going to solve making anagrams from the string manipulation subsection of the interview preparation kit. So basically an anagram or a two words could be said anagram if both of them contains the same number of characters. So this is a basic idea of anagrams. So here two strings would be given. So you have to find out how many strings or how many characters if we remove from each of A and B strings to make it an anagram. So to do that, first it's pretty simple. First I will declare a dictionary. So dictionary here would be storing all the characters that are present in A and B. So once we have done that, we'll also write a value char remove, which would be value. Right now there is no need for removing any characters, so it is 0. So now my job would be to add characters to that dictionary and increment that value by 1. So this is a basic idea for I in range of 0 to length of A. If A of I not n dictates dot keys. So basically if that character is not present in this dictionary, then we will be adding that key to this dictionary and assign it a value of 1. If else, if it's present in the dictionary, then we will be basically incrementing that current existing key value to plus 1. Similarly, now in for the case of A, we would be adding those values, and for the case of B, we would be removing that values. So at last we'll be finding, or we will be finding out a value that are not matching. So you will be just be basically adding those values and found out total number of characters that needs to be removed. So this is a basic idea. So for I in range of very similar to the last process, length of B, if B dot I not in dictates dot keys, then dict x B dot I would be initializing here, would be initializing with a value of -1, else dictates B of I minus equal to 1. This is a basic idea. So for in the case of A, you would be adding +1, and for the case of B, would be minusing, we will be subtracting -1. In that case, the similar values would be minused out or would be equaled out, and all the remaining characters which don't have a similar pair in A or B would be remaining. So this is a basic idea. So for each in dict x dot value, so here we would be counting the values, and char remove plus equal to, there is one more thing. Here you have to write the abstract values. So for A it's always +1, but there could be a character for B which is present in B but not present in A, which value is -1. So you have to take an absolute value so that we are calculating in that proper way. So it would be each, and would be at last would be returning char remove, and let's run the code. As you can see, it passed all the public test cases successfully. Let's submit the code. As you can see, it passed all the public test, public and private test cases successfully. So as always, I keep on reminding, if you have a better solution of solving the same problem with a more efficient, in more efficient time and space complexity, please comment below. And as always, please send me your feedbacks so that I could keep improving. I'm also trying to learn this entire stuff. So please help me, and please comment below. That would be most helpful, so that to understand your feedback, maybe create a community where people who have a similar vision or want to learn things or want love programming could come together. That's the main idea of this entire series. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned.